Let's talk about how to use Transcriber to do transcription. First, open the audio file on Transcriber software. You will see this screen. So first you copy the file name and click a new topic for this transcription. Then click here is no speaker now. You need to change it to the first speaker. Okay, usually the first speaker on the file name will be the actual first speaker. Okay, let's say here we have two speakers indicated here. We need to create a speaker for this file, speaker 3. Okay. Speaker 3, yeah. We create two speakers. So 5. We need to create speaker. We need to create 3 speakers actually, yeah, for each file. This is speaker 1. Speaker 1 is speaker A is speaker 3, and speaker 15, right? And the speaker, another speaker is an overlapping speaker. It will be speaker 3 and speaker 15. So we create 3 speaker in a row. So the first one we know it's speaker 3. We select this one. Okay, yeah. So now speaker 3 is defined for the first one. You can judge whether it starts with speaker 3 or speaker 15 by looking at the single speaker file to judge. Yeah, we indicated who is the speaker who said that single file first, right? Okay, then here we needed to define segment. So I look at this one. I want to define this part as say this is the first segment I want to define. Then I just press here and click here, press enter to have a new segment. Then I go back here to press this segment only. Yeah, you can do this way.
Okay, so in this session now, right, we'll just be doing some like discussions about food, which I think is like every Singaporean's like interest. So like for yourself, right, like do you often eat out?
Okay, I feel so long sentence is difficult to manage for me. So I want to make it shorter. So I press here to press the enter button. Yeah. So now this first segment is only this duration. Yeah, I click here. I know how long it is. Right. I click here. Okay, it starts here to the end. So I want to create a segment here. One segment here. Okay. Now I have created this 5 segments already, and let's start with the first segment. I will type here for this one.
Okay, so in this session now, right, we'll just be doing some like discussions about food, which I think is like every Singaporean's like.
Yeah. So for this part, it's here. here. Okay, now I click here to do next segment. Of course, I need to check for this one to whether it's
Okay, so in this session now, right, we'll just be doing some like discussions about food, which I think is like every Singaporean's like.
Okay, so it's correctly typed. Now press here to play, then press Shift Tab keys on the board.
Interest. So like for yourself, right? Like, do you often eat out?
Okay, so this one is here. Okay, so next I press Shift Tab key to play the next segment.
I eat out often, quite often, because I find myself a bit sick of the daily home cooking.
Okay, so this is this person said this I typed, and I know this is a the speaker should be changed. No? So it's a speaker 15. So I click segment, click it, turn. Yeah. Then this one. Okay? Yeah. So let's say, okay, if you find another speaker is an overlapping speaker, say this one is here, then, okay, instead, okay, yeah, say when the next segment is like this, and this one is set by speaker 3 first, then okay is set by speaker 15 second, then you just type both here. This is an overlapping speaker. You create a turn, yeah, then put here overlapping speaker, yeah, here. Then let's say the next one, that's fine, right? It's set by speaker 3, then you create as tab, speaker 3, yeah. So it is done, yeah. It's you have defined correctly the speakers, yeah, or report name, yeah. So correct, right? Another point is we need to do verbatim, right? Say I speak 2020. Do not type 2020, right? We should type 2020, right? If I say the 2020, right? Do not type 2020 like this, W-E-N-T-Y, like this one, right? After you type finished the whole transcript, you need to check whether there are Arabic number by search here, right? And if there is Arabic number, you need to change it to text, right? You need to check from 1 to 3 to 0, yeah. All search, right? To ensure there is no Arabic number anymore, right? Because the client will directly reject any transcript where there is a Arabic number like a 1, any like Arabic number, right? Yeah. Another thing is do not say, oh, this is okay, this part is spoken by speaker 15. Oh, yeah, do not do that, okay? We don't allow. If it's spoken by speaker 15, you need to annotate the term, right? Yeah, another is if you need to take some note like inaudible, put it in the bracket, right? Noise, yeah, put in the bracket. This is your annotation. Some say unclear, right? Yeah. Put it in the bracket, such words. And meanwhile, these words and these words need to put in a list, right? For this non-verbal terms, right? Okay, I hope this is clear on how to do the transcription using Transcriber.